Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to set up fingerprint in Realme Note 50 device. So for setting up the fingerprint, all you guys have to do just go to settings and then scroll it down so that we have option of security here. Just click on security. Just click on face and fingerprint unlock. But for this, all you guys have to do first of all, select any combination. I am selecting this one. After that, set any 4-digit pin. Okay, now just click on done. After that, I want to set a fingerprint, so just click on fingerprint and then click on I agree. Now touch the sensor of the fingerprint to set the finger like this. You can also use any other finger. Okay, now as you see, the fingerprint is now added. All you guys have to do, just click on done and that's it. Now time to check. As you see, the phone is locked. And the fingerprint is now working accurately. So this is how we can set up fingerprint in Realme Note 50 device. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.